In this video, we are going to talk about what is asphalt and its importance. Asphalt, often referred to as blacktop or bitumen, is a sticky and black mixture that is commonly used in constructing roads, driveways, and other types of paved surfaces. It's made from a combination of materials, primarily aggregates such as crushed stone, gravel, and sand, and bitumen, which is a thick, black, and sticky petroleum-based substance. The mixture is heated to high temperatures to make it fluid enough for construction purposes. Once applied and compacted, asphalt hardens as it cools down, forming a durable and smooth surface that can withstand the weight of vehicles and the stresses of daily use. It is a vital material in construction and infrastructure due to its many important characteristics and uses. We can describe the importance of asphalt as follows. Role in road construction. Asphalt is the primary material used for constructing roads, highways, and driveways. It provides a smooth and durable surface for vehicles to travel on, improving transportation efficiency and safety. Durability. Asphalt is resilient and can withstand heavy traffic loads and harsh weather conditions, making it a long-lasting choice for pavements. Quick installation. Asphalt can be laid down relatively quickly compared to other materials, minimizing disruptions to traffic flow during construction. Flexibility. Asphalt is flexible and can expand and contract with temperature changes without cracking. This is essential in areas with varying climates. Smooth surface. Asphalt offers a smooth, comfortable driving experience, reducing noise and providing better skid resistance. Waterproofing. Asphalt's water-resistant properties protect the underlying layers of pavement from water damage, extending the lifespan of roads. Recyclability. Asphalt is one of the most recycled construction materials. Old asphalt can be reused in new pavements, reducing the need for new raw materials and promoting sustainability. Economic benefits. Asphalt's lower initial cost, faster construction process, and ease of maintenance contribute to its cost-effectiveness. Reduced environmental impact. Using recycled asphalt and energy-efficient manufacturing methods can lower the environmental footprint of asphalt production and use. In summary, asphalt's significance is rooted in its ability to create sturdy, enduring, and flexible road surfaces that enhance transportation networks and support economies. Its combination of durability, ease of installation, and adaptability makes it a cornerstone of modern infrastructure development. It's all about the asphalt and its importance. Please don't forget to keep your idea in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.